This 2026 Coachmen Chaparral Lite 218 SE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 29 feet 1 inch in length and features sleep 6, oven, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, awning, water heater, TV, microwave, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features bunk beds, bunkhouse, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Coachmen Chaparral Lite 218 SE is 7,365 pounds. This 2026 Coachmen Chaparral Lite 218 SE. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.